Welcome to Future Knowledge Bank, my dear viewers. I think you are getting good bit of knowledge from the Future Knowledge Bank for your best future point of view. I am trying my level best to give the enormous knowledge with clear-cut views, and I am also going to welcome you people. Put your comment box whenever you are having the difficulties in understanding the certain concept over here. So now today I am giving the complete concept regarding the digestive system. So in this case, human digestive system point of view, already in the part 1 I explained regarding the photosynthesis, and now I am going to explain completely human digestive system point of view. In the first thing is, you can see here one chart: mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus is there. And later on I will explain you. Here you can see that one: mouth, salivary glands, esophagus, liver, gallbladder and stomach and pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum and appendix, so on. Everything is there here. So first of all, how the human digestive system starts? Whenever the person has eating certain food, we call that is ingestion. That means taking food with the help of the hand and mouth is called ingestion. And that after taking the food into the mouth, in the mouth you are having 3 pairs of salivary glands. One is parotoid, lingual, sublingual. 3 pairs, once again: parotoid, lingual, sublingual. These salivary glands which are present within the mouth, they will provide a beautiful enzyme, ptyalin, P-T-Y-A-L-I-N, ptyalin enzyme, and which secretes nicely, which makes the food to get into the smiley and smooth movement, that is called bolus, we'll say. And in this, carbohydrates, the complex carbohydrates are going to divide into simple carbohydrates. Then it comes to the point thereafter, after getting esophagus, and in that esophagus we can taking the food from the mouth and esophagus in the peristaltic movement, that means near the neck. Now, in the second thing is, we are having the in the mouth, salivary glands, 3 pairs are there, and those 3 pairs of salivary glands produce the ptyalin enzyme. This is a very important enzyme which makes the food into bolus type, which will take and enters into the esophagus. In the esophagus, what we call one wave type of motion will go from the mouth to up to the buccal cavity, and there what will happen means, the movement of the wave type of movement we call peristaltic movement. That peristaltic movement will, after that one, it is going inside the stomach. It starts. First thing is, we can see there are so many important glands we are having. Main maximum we can see the pancreas is maintaining the 3 enzymes. One is amylase, trypsin and lipase. And here you can see esophagus, whenever it's taking in peristaltic movement, here the contraction and expansion of the alimentary canal slowly enters into the bolus point, and there you can, here pepsin, the enzyme which is formed in the gastric juices, breaking down the protein. And then next, the HCl. The HCl, where is it present means this is present in the stomach. The HCl which is present in the stomach, not having any enzymes. Carbohydrates, one interesting question is there. Carbohydrates cannot be digested by the HCl, digested in the stomach, they will say. Why they are not digested in the stomach means because there is no enzymes in the stomach. There is no enzymes in the stomach, that purpose carbohydrates never digested. The digestion of the carbon dioxide will take place above the stomach only. Then thereafter you can see in the stomach, you can see a lining, mucus lining is there. That mucus lining helps the powerful hydrochloric acid not to destruct the total stomach structure, because it is having high concentration. The high concentration also cannot damage the stomach. Why? Because a thin layer of mucus lining is there over the stomach, like a aloe vera juice type. Aloe vera juice type, one mucus layer is there. That mucus layer is helping a lot here. And then you can find liver also. Liver is having no enzymes, but is having certain pigment. Bile juice is produces. In the bile juice, two pigments are there: bilirubin and biliverdin. Bilirubin and biliverdin, these are the two pigments which are getting the fats to get digested. And digestion of fats with the help of the bile juice we call emulsification. Emulsification is nothing but digestion of the fats clearly, and that means the liver is not there, the liver is unable to produce the bile juice. It is very difficult to get the fat to digest within the system. So here, and now you come to the point of that what you call in the in the small intestine, we are having the two enzymes. Those are peptidase and one was sucrase. Peptidase and sucrase. Here you can see trypsin. It is in the pancreas. The trypsin is there. The trypsin is converting the proteins into peptones. And the lipase, which is acting on the fats, emulsified fats, already emulsified fats into fatty acid and glycerol. Thereafter, in the large intestine, the fat is having nothing but in the form of fat globules, large globules. This one acting by the bile juice, that is nothing but bilirubin and biliverdin. They are making into small globules, and if the bile juice is absent, it's very dangerous. The fat will be accumulated lot in the human being, and the heart problem may come there. So thereafter, slowly the digested food will pass into the stomach, and complete absorption takes place, and the important absorption will be digested and move through the other type of things, and waste material come to the rectum. The waste material come to the rectum. This is the temporary collection of the waste, and in the rectum also they won't stay long time. Whenever the rectum has come, the human beings will get signal to go to the washroom. Whenever that waste material is coming into the reach to the rectum, immediately the human being gets the signal to go to the washroom. Then the entire thing will come to the anus, and defecation takes place. Defecation in the sense is what total undigested waste material will come out. This way is shortly I am giving that one part here, and here you can see what is the thing is means in the one part is here epiglottis. In that epiglottis, near that one, it is the byway. From the epiglottis, you are having the two systems. One is respiratory system, one is digestive system. The epiglottis allowing respiratory kind of raw material to the respiratory tract, and digestive raw material to the digestive tract. So epiglottis is doing a very important role over there. And then in the gallbladder, one green substance is there. That is completely we can call a kind of a spleen, which is also helping to digest the food over there. And this here, throughout our body, the most useless part of our body is appendix. Appendix, the most useless part of our body. If it is there or not there also, no problem for that one. But whenever certain waste material is accumulated in this appendix and severe pain has come, this should be operated and removed from the body. If it is not removed within the 24 hours, it will blast and human person will die. And so many people also got that one. That purpose they will say 24 hours operation, 24 hours pain they got, like they will say indirectly. But that is nothing but appendicitis. That is a very dangerous one. So this is the very clean and neat and simple digestive system. And from this lesson, more important questionnaire and everything I will give in the next episode.